Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022 Wildcat by Forest River. Model number is a 260RD. It's around 31 foot long, weighs around 8,700 pounds dry weight. This is a new model for Wildcat. It's one of their smallest models. So we'll spin around the outside and then hop on the inside and check it out. Got those LED lights on the front cap on already. This one will come with the auto leveling. You see it down below there. Inside your storage compartment, you get a mini fridge and your griddle, which attaches there on that sidewall. This is an inside-outside trash can. There's a spot to drop it down through the countertop. I got the awning out just a little bit with the lights on. Your outside speakers, your TV hookups. There's another shot of your auto leveling and your enclosed underbelly. It's your Four Seasons package. These are the Lippert solid steps there. So U-shaped dinette in the back. I do have these shades pulled down. These are blackout roller shades. I'll lift them up here in a minute, but yeah, you get a really good view for the rear. These are some electric Thomas Paine recliners. So, all the way. That is a Norcold refrigerator, 11 cubic foot, and it runs on 12 volt. The TV has already been removed, but it does come with the big TV. Your fireplace there, your kitchen area. Lots of storage. This is the trash can location. Three drawers here. They are self-closing. 3-burner stove and your oven. And this right here can convert down to another bed. Let's see if I can go ahead and pull this shade up for you. When we first walked in, you get your control panel and your pantry. We'll step in the front here. That looks like an RV queen. Actually, it's an 80-inch bed. So it's an 80-inch versus your 74. Our 2 wardrobes over there. TV location. That is a slider door and all your wardrobes and dresser drawers on that side. The radius shower, your toilet, and your sink. One more shot of this. Also to all of these other drawers over here. Then went ahead and do all the, again with the self-closer hinges there. But yeah, that's a quick look at this new Wildcat 2022 model. If you're interested, you can give us a call, see if it's still available. 903-326-4080. Or check us out on our website at rendelrv.com.